In this video, I'll walk you step by step through installing PostgreSQL on Windows, creating a database, and connecting it with Prisma for your next.js or Node.js project. By the end, you'll have a running database, a working Prisma schema, and Prisma Studio ready to explore your tables. Let's jump right in. First, we need PostgreSQL. Head over to postgresql.org/download/windows. Download version 15 or higher, and run the installer as administrator. During setup, remember two key things: the password you set for the Postgres user and the default port. By default, it uses port 5432, but if that's already in use, pick 5433 instead. After installation, check that PostgreSQL is running. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, look for PostgreSQL-x64. Right-click it, open Properties, and set the startup type to Automatic. In the terminal, you can check if PostgreSQL is running by typing get service PostgreSQL*. Now let's test the connection. In PowerShell, type psql-u Postgres. If you're on port 5433, add -p5433. If you see Postgres equals $, you're in. Type \q to exit. If you get an error like PSQL is not recognized, it means PostgreSQL isn't in your path. You can either add it manually or use the full path. Next, let's create our app's database. Reconnect as the Postgres user, then type create database _db. Exit with \q. To test it, reconnect with psql-u Postgres-d dashboard_db. If you see dashboard_db equals $, you're all set. Now let's set up our environment variables. In your project root, create a file called .env. Add this line, database_URL equals. See the markdown file for this file in the show notes for setting up the complete URL based on your password. Now let's initialize Prisma. Run npx Prisma init. This creates a Prisma folder and a schema.prisma file. Open schema.prisma and replace the default with this. In schema.prisma, set Prisma to use PostgreSQL, then add a user model with an ID, unique email, optional name, and timestamps for created and updated. See Markdown file for complete schema to add. Now here's the critical step most people forget. Run npx Prisma db push. This will create the user table inside your dashboard_db database. Without this step, your app will crash. To explore your database visually, run npx Prisma Studio. This opens a web app at localhost :5555, where you can see and edit your tables. To view the database table in the terminal, first connect to your database by typing \c dashboard_db. Once connected, you can see a list of all tables by entering \d. To view the specific columns and details of the user table, type \d user with quotes, since PostgreSQL treats table names with capital letters as case sensitive. And that's it. You now have PostgreSQL installed, Prisma connected, and a working database. In the next video, we'll actually build features on top of this setup. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links to the Prisma and PostgreSQL documentation in the description. Thanks for watching.